Hello everyone, Sean here again from City College Plymouth with another bit of maths magic for you for the week. This time I'm maybe assisted by Ash. He's here to help me today, and hopefully we'll see what you think of this trick. It's quite a good one, this. First thing I'm going to do is show you a number. Okay, now make a note of that. I'm going to fold that number up and I'm going to give it to Ash to look after. Ash, you can put that in your pocket. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a number on the board. Let's start with something here. I'm going to start with 5, 7, 4, I'll put at the end, I'll put a 5 in there. Okay? Now I'm going to ask Ash to write a number underneath that one, please. So he's writing another 4-digit number underneath that. Now I'm going to write another 4-digit number underneath what Ash has written. So I'm going to write a 6, a 1, an 8, and I'm going to go for a 3 there. Right, Ash, your go. Okay. See what you can write down there.
4, 3, 9, and 8, 6.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Right, my go now. I'm just going to write that. Right, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go for a 5. I'm going to go for 3, 0 there, I think. And I'm going to go for a 3 at the end. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to add these numbers up and see what we get. Okay, so we do it together, make sure we're happy. 5 and 6, 11, Ash. Plus another 3 will give me 14.
Yep.
Plus another 6 will give me 20.
20.
And plus another 3 will give me 23. Okay? So we've got that first number written down, 23. Okay, coming to across. So let's go again. 4, 1 is 8. I'm sorry, 5.
Yep.
Plus another 8 would give me
13.
13. Plus another 9 would give me 22. Plus another 2 would give me 24. So I'll carry the 2 across the next one. Let's go with this one now. 7 and 8 give me 15. Plus another 1 is 16. Plus another 3, 19. Plus another 6, 24. 20, let's double check on the 90. Plus another 6 would be 25.
Yeah, 25.
25 plus number 2 would be 27, yeah? Happy so far. We're going to go again, see what we get on this time. We're going to go 5 and 3 is 8. Plus number 6 would give me 14. 14 plus 4 would give me 18. Plus number 5 would give me 23. Plus number 2 would give me 25. Right, a bit of a funny pen at the end here, but hopefully we're happy. So we've got this number, we're going to write it down over here and see if we've got 25,743. Okay, actually, if you'd like to open up that bit of paper and see what you've got in there.
I have 25,743.
Wow, how spooky is that? Well, how did that maths trick work? Right, I want you to think about this for a minute, guys. Now, if I look at the first set of 2 digits, so I've obviously got this number here I started with, 5745. Now, if I look at these digits, Ash, look, I've got a 3 and a 6, that adds up to 9. 8 and a 1 adds up to 9. 1 and an 8 adds up to
9.
And the 6 and a 3 adds up to 9 as well. So these numbers combined give me 9,999. Okay? Second set of digits we wrote down, but you wrote down one first and I wrote one afterwards. What are these adding up to? 4 and 5?
9.
6 and 3?
9.
9 and 0?
9. And 6 and 3, 9.
9 all the way. So what I was being very careful to do, Ash, when you were writing your numbers down, I was making sure that my numbers added up, whatever it was, to add up to 9. Yeah? So I knew that when we combine these 2 sets of numbers together, we would get 19,998, which is exactly 2 less than 20,000. So when I wrote this number down for you earlier for you to put in your pocket, I added 2 back to the 3 to make it up to a 5. The other digits are the same, 475, and I put a 2 at the front because I knew it would be going up to 2 less than 20,000. So basically that works every single time. Any set of numbers. Write down a number here, give it to a friend or somebody to impress. You're going to add 2 back to the number you write down, and you're going to take a 2 off the front. And then you're going to make sure that your numbers add up to 9 when you're combining them with whoever's writing down the numbers first. Cool bit of maths magic,
Cool.
bit different.
Yeah, love it.
Great stuff. Well done, Ash. Give you a shake of the hand.
Thanks very much.
Nice work. Thanks, everybody. See you next week for some more maths magic.